Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to make Tradingview full screen so we can focus on our charts without distractions and enjoy a clean workspace for analysis. This is a really simple but powerful feature, and it's especially useful if we're tracking multiple markets, using several indicators at once, or just want a distraction-free charting experience. Let's get started. First, we open the chart we want to work on. Once our chart is open, we look at the top right corner of the chart window. There, we'll see a small icon for full screen. It usually looks like a rectangle or sometimes two diagonal arrows. We just need to click on this icon, and our chart will expand to fill the entire browser window. Now, if we want to go even further and remove all browser menus and tabs, we can simply press the F11 key on our keyboard. This puts our browser into full screen mode, giving us even more space to focus on our chart. Tradingview also lets us hide panels that we don't need. For example, if the left toolbar or the right side panel is taking up space, we can look for the full screen icon. Pressing the icon will hide the panel, letting our chart take up the maximum possible space. If we ever need those panels back, we can always press the escape button on our keyboard, and the panels will return. Just to repeat, if we want to exit full screen mode, it's really simple. We just press escape on our keyboard, and our chart will return to normal view, bringing back all the menus and panels. And to exit the browser full screen, we press the F11 button again. This way, we can quickly switch back and forth without searching for any buttons or getting lost. This is especially helpful when we're done analyzing or if we want to access other Tradingview features. Knowing how to enter and exit full screen quickly really makes charting smoother and more efficient. Now, a few best practices. When we make our chart full screen, it's always a good idea to save our layout. This makes sure our panels, indicators, and chart settings stay exactly the way we like them the next time we open Tradingview. Also, remember that full screen doesn't remove any of our data. It just hides menus and panels temporarily, so we can always toggle back whenever we need. Some common mistakes to avoid include accidentally closing panels that we still need, forgetting how to exit full screen, or assuming the layout will reset itself on its own. We should always double-check our chart after hiding panels, just to make sure everything is set up the way we want. Making our Tradingview chart full screen only takes a few clicks or a single key press, but it can really improve our focus and charting accuracy. It's a simple adjustment that helps us see more, analyze faster, and work more efficiently. So that's how we make the most of Tradingview's full screen feature for a better charting experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tradingview guides, and I'll see you in the next one.